everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Easter if you celebrate it, and whatever you celebrate, I hope you're having a great day. If you don't celebrate anything, that's great too. All right, so I have an unboxing from Disney. And this is from the, this isn't from the Character Warehouse. This is from the World of Disney. They had a 50% off, I think it was like for one day only, or maybe a few days. And I was able to get one of the last of the grand finale Loungefly. The 50th anniversary is coming to an end, so this is the last Loungefly apparently that they're making. So I had to go to the States and pick it up, so I had to open up the box, but I haven't looked inside yet. So let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, you have to, when you go through the border, you have to open the box for the guard so they can see actually what you have, and then you have to show them an actual invoice, you know, things like that. So, but it only takes a few seconds. As long as you print it out ahead of time, you're gonna be all right. So, all right. So this is what it looks like. Came in a box. It came pretty quick. I will link Melissa's, she's the personal shopper for Disney, so I will link her information below. She has excellent customer service, very affordable. She's very quick. She normally goes on the weekend to pick up your items, and like I said, I'll leave her information. If you're looking for any Disney items, definitely check her out. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, came like this. Pretty cool. And then I reuse these bags too, so. Okay, came in a Disney bag. All right, that's what it looks like. All right, this is a pretty cool Loungefly. Okay, it's rose gold and black. Has the fireworks. It has the iridescent Disney Park Loungefly. Look at that! Wow, that's pretty cool. This is called the 50th Anniversary Grand Finale. All right, there's the 50th there. It's got two pockets on the side. It has little, what are those? Those are like stars, it looks like. On the side, there's two there. There's one there. There's a pocket. And there's the tag. This is rose gold. The 50th is rose gold. The sides are rose gold. Rose gold there. And this is really cool. This is the castle. This is Cinderella's castle. And then there's a zipper there. So let's see here. Oh, the inside is really pretty too. All right, let me take out the foam. Ugh. Okay. Wow, look at the inside. Yeah, you can put your phone in there very, very easily. And the inside looks like that. All right, let's go ahead. It has two zippers like normal. All right. Okay, let's take the stuffing out. Let's see here if I can get this stuff. Ah. Yeah, they really stuff these, don't they? Wow. So have you guys got any new Disney bags or any Loungeflies? Let me know in the comments below. This is a pretty nice one. And being 50% off, it retailed for $85. So, and that's US, so I got it for $44. So you can't beat that for a Loungefly. All right, let's see here. All right, let me get the little packets out. So yeah, it just is one big opening. And that's what the pattern looks like. So the pattern is really pretty. All right, so I'll be looking forward to using this. And the straps are just black. They're just regular. And they're adjustable. All right, so that's my unboxing of my 50th anniversary grand finale Loungefly. And in rose gold, black, and gold. Wow. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm glad I got this one. I was kind of hesitant of getting it. And I said, no, I got to get it because it's the 50th anniversary is coming to a close. And if I don't get it and it's half price, I'm probably going to regret it. So I'm very glad that I did get it. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now, and thanks for watching.